Does testosterone really make you a dick? A lot of people depend on bro science as their resource for testosterone and related implications for health and behavior, but they lack the clinical insight from a medical provider that actually treats and uses testosterone as a therapy. So here's my clinical insight over the years of treating individuals with testosterone. If you want to know more about testosterone, how it actually works at the cellular level, go ahead and check out the other video we made on anabolic hormone therapy. The most notable changes to mental health really in terms of behavior come in the domains of aggression and motivation. Aggression can be boiled down to two different ways to think about it. So you've got predatory aggression, which is what people think about really when someone's being a dick. They're actually just trying to be mean, and they're getting some kind of feedback in terms of making themselves feel better for putting other people down and making them feel larger instead of small. But the more acceptable form of aggression and assertiveness is more so about getting across ideas or conversations or thoughts that you find valuable that could be exploited in a certain situation, and have enough confidence to actually put those ideas through without feeling a insecurity around those ideas, or that it makes you somehow feel, less than or otherwise small. In terms of motivation, though, the increase in motivation to do hard things and to work out and to, pursue relationships and, accordance to the actual reason for testosterone, which is for reproductive fitness. But that motivation covers all the domains of activity in terms of engaging in the world to get what you need. And what you need is safety and a way to accrue security in the financial domain and also in the social domain. So testosterone across the board just really elevates an individual to have needs be met in a better way because they have the motivation to actually pursue those resources and, again, ultimately get what is needed. In other words, you're much more likely to make decisions out of confidence and out of what you need versus out of fear or insecurity. The last realm of benefit that I want to talk about with testosterone replacement in mood and behavior is in regard to sleep. It's not necessarily correlated to exactly, low testosterone equals poor sleep or poor sleep equals low testosterone, but both of those associations are very well founded. When people start taking testosterone or when they're prescribed testosterone in a regimen, typically what will happen is their sleep will improve and everything else as far as motivation and libido and confidence will improve. But whether or not that's just because sleep is improved and that just kind of sets the tone and a snowball for life to just work out in a better way is really unknown. All I can say is that when people start taking testosterone and they need it, that sleep improves, their recovery from exercise improves, and all the benefits that you would think of in terms of testosterone therapy really start to show up as a manifestation of, number one, getting better sleep. If someone is having issues in the realm of motivation and confidence and libido and even putting on muscle from activity that would otherwise for everyone else produce a result, then I'd really recommend, number one, getting levels tested and making sure you have a conversation with a healthcare provider that's willing to take you seriously despite age or any other factors that might preclude you from the conventional setting of testosterone replacement therapy.